can add this one to cart. You can add this one to cart. Hey guys, I'm back today with another video, but before I get started on the details, please make sure to hit the subscribe button down below if you're not subscribed to my channel already, and if you are subscribed, please make sure to turn those notifications on so you don't miss out on any of my videos. Now today's unit is going to be brought to you by the company IseeHair. Y'all see the pink box. Of course, I'm going to make sure to leave all the details down below in the description area. Let's go ahead and take the box out of the bag. You guys know I love their packaging. This box, and yes, I just dropped it back on the floor. This box is just so sturdy, and I love the pink and gold. But let's see what's in here. Like, your unit does come in this bag, and then they also have some details about the company and their units. HD wig cap, and it also looks like a removable elastic band. And open this up. Now I see a flexi rod. I see a flexi rod going on. Let's take this unit out of the bag. Alright, and this definitely feels like it has some weight to it. So we're gonna go ahead and remove. Oh baby, they put two on here to keep it in place. Go ahead and remove the second one. Okay, look at that. Take this plastic off. They're layered pre-everything 7x5 butterfly cut wig. This one is in the length 26 inches. It also has some brown balayage going on. It also comes with your mini knots and your pre-cut lace. You can see they also have this curled up knife. Now this is your 7x5 parting space area. And then you do get 2 combs on the side. You also get your removable elastic band. So that was just an extra one that was in the box. You'll get a comb in the nape area. No adjustable straps. And I don't feel a drawstring. Also have the area for the comfort ear to make sure it sits really nice by your ear so that it doesn't hurt. Because there is no adjustable strap, I'm going to make sure I tighten up this removable elastic band all the way, because I want this to be really nice and snug because I do have a small head. As far as the lace goes, I'm trying not to remove this roller, y'all. It is a little bit lighter against my skin, but of course you guys know I'm going to make sure to blend that down. And as you can see, it also comes in a middle part. Let's give it up for the fit, because this is snug to my head. Y'all know I love that. I love that. Now the lace, like I said, is a little bit light, but once I add my adhesive spray and everything, I do feel like it's going to blend down. You don't have to worry about that because I'm gonna make sure that it's blended. It's fitting really nice on the side by my ear. There is no extra room back here. Now I did have to kind of loosen my band up a little bit so that it didn't feel like it was going to hurt. But so far, so good as far as the fit goes. Now this is what the hairline looks like. It's all nice and plucked out. You can see my cap right here, and I'm going to make sure I put some powder to help blend it in a little bit. And of course, you can always move this to a side part. But we're going to get that together. I am going to probably just trim off a very small amount of lace. It looks good, and I like the 7x5 area, so I don't have to worry about the lace all the way across. And of course, when I remove this flexi rod that's holding on for dear life, then y'all will be able to see everything. So let's go ahead and get this together. I'm super excited about this because the color on this looks very, very nice already, and I just have a vision of how it's going to look. So I'm going to go ahead and install this, and then of course you guys will see the final looks, and you will also hear my final thoughts when it comes to the shoot. You can add this one to cart. You can add this one to cart. For real. Because this wig, this we starting off the year strong. This wig, y'all, and y'all know when I get excited like this is nice. This is very nice. My daughter has complimented this hair so many times since I've had it on. She said, Mama, I like that one. I like that one a lot. She said whoever did the highlights, the curls, they did that. And I must admit, they did. Extra brownie points because it fits my head, okay? Even though it doesn't have a drawstring and an adjustable strap, it fits my head. This is comfortable on. Maybe a very slight amount of room, but when I said it's on, it's on, and I love that for me because y'all know it'd be a struggle sometimes. But this one, I'm curl like this straight out of the box. Of course, I did have to go in and fix up a few pieces in the front and just curl them the way that I like. But the highlights, the lace already being pre-cut, I mean, this is pretty much ready, you know, to go. You just kind of tweak it to how you want to, and you're good to go. Now, I did install this today using a little bit of my adhesive spray. I also put some of my mousse around the front of the hairline. Now, as you guys seen, the lace was a little bit light. I just went in with whatever was left on my little sponge, and I went around the hairline and kind of patted it in a little bit because, of course, I'm out of my tint spray, well, my favorite tint spray that I like at the moment. And so that did help to blend it in. It photographed well. I don't have any issues with that. Then I took the flexi rod out and I just began to comb out the hair with my hands. And then I also used a wide tooth comb, and the curls were just already pretty much set into place. I flat ironed to recurl the front of this the way that I wanted it to fall back, but I didn't have to recurl the back pieces right here. It was just really only in the front section, and the hair curls very well. Like, the curls are holding up pretty good. Say I feel like this is like a body wave texture. The hair is very nice and soft. It doesn't have a shiny sheen look to it. So it looks good, and it's very easy for me to run my fingers throughout the hair. I did put some of my Sleek and Shine serum just to kind of combat with frizziness and flyaways, even though I did not notice a lot of frizziness. But because of the way that I was fluffing out the hair, I knew that the curls and the ends may start to look that way. Like, if I'm turning right here, it's a little bit, but it's really not a lot. Like, the hair is definitely in place. Seeing how nice and full this looks in the back, this is a very good density. The length on this, you guys know I'm only 5'2", so if you are not a fan of this longer length, definitely make sure to see if they have a shorter length. But still, the way the hair flows with it being this long, it looks really good. Now, I moved it to the side part also, and it's nice and open. You guys also see me pull out a little bit of hairs to kind of swoop them over. You don't have to do that, but it makes the hairline just pop out a little bit more. It looks very good. I didn't put any powder on the side. I could have, but I forgot to do that. But just even the way I recurled this piece in the front, it just flows back so nice. The highlights look good. I didn't get a lot of shedding. I did get some shedding, but not a lot. And then snags, I started to get some towards the end. Like I said, the hair is very nice and soft for you just to run your fingers through. Like, this looks really good. It looks good. Now, keep in mind, I did style this straight out of the box, so I have not washed it yet. But let me know what you guys think about this. Are y'all feeling this one? Because I'm really feeling it. If you are feeling this unit, I am going to make sure to leave all the links down below in the description area. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel once again. Turn those notifications on, share and like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.